Hello everyone, welcome to Digitron Solution. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of the project, that is data hiding in image-based steganography using discrete wavelet transform and AES algorithm. In this project, we will be hiding an image within an image. Initially, an image will be taken as an input and AES algorithm will be applied to encrypt the image, and the encrypted data will be hidden within another image known as a cover image. The project is implemented in MATLAB. So let's see the working demo. So I'll go into the MATLAB. I'm using MATLAB 2015. Any version from 2015 or higher might work for this project. So I have already opened the project folder, and the project also has a front end. So let's see the front end. So this is the basic front end of the project. So initially it will ask us to browse a cover image. A cover image is one in which you are going to hide the final image, that is a confidential image, whichever you want to hide within which image, that is, it means the cover image. So it will cover everything. So I'll select a cover image. I'll go in images, I'll select this as a cover image. See that we should have a very big cover image because you are going to hide image data within an image. So you require a cover image of bigger size. So I have selected a cover image. Then I'll select the secret image that I want to hide. I'll go here. Let's say I will select this. So this is the image I want to hide. Now I'll say perform AES based encryption of this image. So I'll click on this button. So it is asking me AES encryption key. So AES encryption key minimum 16 digits is a condition, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So I'm giving a 16 digit AES encryption key. You can give it anything, it might be alphanumeric also. The project will work for any kind of key. So it might take a while and it might generate an encrypted image, and the encrypted image will be shown in this axis. You can see encryption of the image is done, and this is the encrypted image. So this was the original image, this is the encrypted image using AES. Now next I'll perform discrete wavelet transform to hide the image within the cover image. So I'll be using the low and low high section of the image to perform discrete wavelet transform. So I'll click on this. So it will perform DWT based image hiding within this cover image. So the output will be displayed here. Okay, it is done. The output image is here, and the output image will be saved as I'll go to the project folder. Here it is here. It will be saved as AES Stigo image. This is the output image. I have named it like this. It will be saved as that. Now till now whatever we have done is the encryption part. Now let's go with the decryption part. So in the decryption section, it will ask us to browse the Stigo image. This was the image which was just now created. So I'll select the Stigo image in which we have the hidden data. Then I'll say extract data from the image. Yes, data has been extracted and is stored in the memory. Now I'll say perform AES decryption. So I'll provide the AES encryption or decryption key 1 2 3 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So I'll say OK, and the secret data will be decrypted and the decrypted image will be shown here. So it might take a while because we are performing image processing. So image data will be a huge data. Yes, it is performing some operation. Yes, you can see we got the decrypted image. So this is how the project is implemented. Even calculation of PSNR value and MSC value with respect to original and Stigo image is also been performed. If you say calculate PSNR, it will compare the original and Stigo image and it will generate the signal PSNR and MSC values. So I hope you understood the project. If you are interested in this project, you can go to the description section of this YouTube video and get more further details about this project, or visit our website to check out for new projects where you can buy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.